Hello, my dear student. How are you all? I hope everyone is doing great. I am also absolutely fine. Today, I am extremely excited to announce something special for all CMA final students. For the first time ever, we are going to launch a dedicated, fully recorded batch for paper number 18 Corporate Finance Reporting, designed especially as per ICMAI syllabus, keeping in the mind CMA student at the center. As you all know that CMA CFR syllabus used to be a mix of some topic overlapping with CA Final-FR and some topic unique to CMA syllabus only. Therefore, in the past, what we used to do, we used to take common topic recording from CA Final-FR and the chapters which were not common, we used to make separate recording for CMA CFR batch only. It does not mean that our previous recording were not for CMA CFR examination, but in that batch we were not focusing CMA student. But this time we are recording complete fresh new recording for CMA CFR, focusing ICMAI study material, focusing CMA student. Therefore, no mixing, no patchwork, only a clean, focused, exam-oriented course for CMA student as per ICMAI study material. This batch will be a regular batch and it will be applicable for June 2026 and onward exam. Now, let me take you through the features of this batch. Already I have informed you that this will be 100% brand new recording, 100% aligned with ICMAI syllabus, ICMAI study material. This batch will be concept oriented as well as exam oriented batch. It means in this batch all the concept will be explained in detail but will not deviate from examination point of view. But I think that if you are good in concept, if you are expert in concept, you can handle any question in exam, whether the question is out of book or from the book. But what is the main objective of joining any batch? To score very high in exam and therefore will not deviate from examination point of view. Will cover all the question of ICMAI study material, means full coverage of syllabus will be one of the objective of this batch. This batch ensure that if you are preparing from concept point of view, if you are preparing from examination point of view, all will be covered in a systematic and easy to understand way. Now about the commencement of the recording, this batch will officially commence from 7th of December and it will almost take 180 hours for the completion of this batch. Medium of this batch will be English so that it is suitable for all students across all regions throughout the India. This batch will be provided in recorded mode so that you can learn as per your own convenience without any time restrictions. Now coming to the book, for this batch you receive two set of books. One is India Science book, which is nothing but concept book. Second is question bank covering all the question of ICMAI study material, past year model test paper, past year examination question and many questions from other sources which will help you to understand the concept. You will get one volume of India Science book and two volume of question bank. But as per MCQ questions are concerned, for chapter wise MCQs already it will be incorporated in question bank. But for case scenario MCQ will provide soft copy which you can download from our app whenever you want to practice it. For this batch, every student will get 1 point view of every lecture and 12-month validity. It means you have complete flexibility and sufficient time to complete the entire syllabus. For doubt support, nothing to worry, we have a comprehensive system. We'll provide you with a dedicated Telegram group for subject related doubt, dedicated WhatsApp group for technical and other support, and we'll also take live Zoom session for mentorship and guidance. It means you are not studying alone. We'll be with you throughout your entire CMA final journey. To help you with your preparation, we'll conduct 5 chapter-wise tests and 1 grand mock test. Tests can be written as per your own convenience at any time in a competitive way under exam conditions. To help you with the self-assessment, will provide suggested answers so that you can find your own mistake and you can work on that. In this batch, you will get 100% concept clarity, 100% coverage of ICMAI study material, RTP, MTP and past year examination question. Believe me, more than 500 questions will be covered in the class and more than 500 questions will be given for self-practice. With this one commitment I can give that you will become expert in CFR subject. But to score good marks in CFR, you require retention of the concept. For that, what we'll do, will provide revision during the class only on daily basis, and for examination purpose will provide separate revision video in YouTube. This is a complete overview of our CMA Final CFR regular batch. If you want to register for this batch, the link of the registration is given in the description of this particular video. If you have any further query, you can contact our team member. The number of a team member is also given in the description of this particular video. Right now we have some pre-registration offer for you which is valid only for 10 days. Our regular fee for this particular batch is 7,999, but we have a pre-registration offer for you. If you want this batch with ebook, then the pre-registration offer price is 2499. But if you want with hard book, it is only 3999. But this offer is only valid for 10 days. If you want this offer, join this batch as soon as possible. If you want right guidance, perfect ICMI oriented batch, concept creative with exam oriented focus, believe me, this batch is going to be game changer for your CFR preparation. Register soon. Let's begin CMA journey together. See you in the class. Thank you very much.